Hey guys, today we're going to be changing the toilet seat on a toilet. So let's begin. Alright guys, first things first, we need to pop these little caps up. And they look very disgusting inside. And then we'll put in our Phillips screwdriver, reach down below because there will be a nut. And then you just start twisting it off. Some nuts have a catcher on the bottom, this one does. So we'll just keep turning it until the nut falls out. And same thing with the other side. Alright, now that the screws are loose, we can go ahead, take these and flip them back close. And fit up the whole toilet, guys. Now that we have the toilet off, the toilet seat off, we can go ahead and drop in one of the bolts. Make sure that these don't get caught behind. And same with the other side. Now this set comes with a anti-wobble washer and a new nut. Make sure you put the appropriate side up and go ahead and slip on your nut and tighten. Grab your big screwdriver, stick it in, and make sure you hold that one. Hold that. You'll tighten that until you can't no more. And do the other side.